Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you few simple tips on how you can paint your other hand's nails. So let's get into it. First thing first, prep your nails by filing them and pushing back cuticles. Then clean oil from your nails by using nail polish remover. I had prepped my nails off camera. Then apply a good base coat to avoid nail polish staining. When your base coat dries out completely, apply thin layer of your favorite nail polish. Make sure to remove excess polish from the bristle by scraping it off. During application, make sure to rest your both hands on a plain surface like table. I have shaky hands, so when I apply nail polish by hovering my hand on air, it makes the process difficult for me. So this is how I actually paint my nail, by putting my both hands on table. Now most important part. During application, hold your brush still with your non-dominant hand and move fingers of your dominant hand on which you are applying nail polish. For me, my non-dominant hand is my left hand. So during application, I hold my brush still with my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, and move fingers of my right hand, which is my dominant hand. I had applied 2 coats of this beautiful red polish following same process. If you create any kind of mess during application, it's completely alright. No one is perfect. We can fix everything afterwards. So before applying top coat, clean up the mess using a toothpick which is wrapped in cotton and dipped in a nail polish remover. Wipe cuticle line and underneath of your nails slowly and carefully. You can do it with cleanup brush as well. Final step, finish your manicure with a glossy top coat to make your manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. Apply top coat following same process which I said earlier. We all struggle with painting non-dominant hand, but practice makes everything perfect. There was a time when I couldn't paint my other hand. I practiced quite often. It's still not perfect, but it's better than before. So make sure to practice at home. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you liked it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.